Blowout, beautiful, faster, longer lasting blows with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil, Maracuja oil, and the lychee berry. Blowout is the perfect blowout system. Welcome to Surface. My name is Wayne Grund, founder. I'm happy to be here and have you here with us as we're getting ready with Jackie Yoakum for our photo shoot. The first thing that Jackie's going to begin with now is the primer. The primer is a lightweight memory spray. Provides style memory, heat protects. She's going to mist it in down. She'll blow dry to about 75% dry. And then at that time, each section as she round brushes, she'll be misting in the primer. We'll be able to achieve complete memory through moisture. Then, as you'll stay tuned, we'll move into the texture spray. Clear volume powder for an explosion of volume throughout the blow dry, and then the dry oil spray in our finishing. But we'll get you there. Now, Jackie, do your magic. With the hair 75% dry, Jackie's going in now to mist each section before she round brushes. What happens now at this point is the primer is really setting in the style memory for the design. Blow dry complete, now it's time for texture spray. A clear volume powder, an explosion of volume and texture for a lasting blowout. Leaves the hair full, leaves the hair airy. Use the day of the blow dry and in between. More magic, Jackie. And the finishing touches with the dry oil spray. It conditions, shines, and refreshes. Use the day of the blow dry and in between days. Beautiful shine, maximum refreshment. Heat seals in moisture, gives hair volume and shine while reducing the blow dry time. Creates a longer lasting blowout and creates a restylable style as well with style flexibility. Blowout is the perfect ratio of moisturizing omega-3, 6, and 9. The omega-3s are your medium weight, provide elasticity, and they moisturize the cuticle. The omega-6s, which are key with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil, are lighter, deeper, penetrating, and faster penetrating. But they only are active and stay tight in the cortex of the hair with omega-9s. And the omega-9s provide an occlusive moisture seal, really wrapping that moisture deep into the hair, providing style flexibility. Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil, omega-6, Maracuja, which is the passion fruit, providing light texture, incredible shine and control. And the lychee fruit, it's a powerful sugar, tremendous volume and bounce, a potent antioxidant. Blowout, the perfect blowout system.